President of the Fiji Secondary Schools Athletics Association, Master Reddy, my cabinet colleagues, the Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Laisania Kitumbo, the Minister for Women and Children, Honorable Rosie Akbar, Assistant Minister for Youth and Sports, Assistant Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts, Honorable Fijian, the representatives from Coca, Fiji, CEO of Fiji Water, other sponsors, teachers and students, family and friends. A very good Bulavina to you all. Prime Minister, Honorable Mahendra joins me in passing his greetings to you all this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the Coca-Cola line case has been declared by many as the biggest annual sports tournament in the South Pacific, and indeed I'm delighted to be here amongst the best of the Fiji school athletics. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, while we all enjoyed the activities of these 2 days, I believe all spectators and stakeholders how anticipated joined the athletes, the coaching staff, Coca-Cola, and the Games Committee for your hard work and commitment over the past few months. Those of us who did not learn the track draw a lot from the social effects of sport has it strengthened bonds and relieved tensions. Sports events are as old as humanity, and very often they are the sparks needed to light community fire. Furthermore, sport is known to be a very effective character builder. It inculcates a sense of usefulness, of belonging, and ultimately a springboard to the highest values of citizenship. Allow me to remind us, though, that while we were hard to play and play to our heart's content, we must always remember the need for balanced emphasis in schoolwork. To the athletes, you are already a champion in your own right. Be reminded that the most important race is a race against yourself. While there might be someone faster and stronger, remember that there will never be another you. So look within you and vigorously push your own personal boundaries. Push the frontier. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, I'm greatly honored and encouraged by the sea of vibrant and happy faces that surround us today. And this indeed is a testimony of our proud, determined and grateful nation. Thank you for listening, and with those viewers, I have much pleasure in officially closing the Coca-Cola Live Game of 2015. Thank you very much. And fast
Set, eh? On.
Can we please rise for the national anthem?